After the long drive from London to Dover, I was thrilled to finally see our Verandah Deck stateroom for the next 12 days. Stateroom number 7337 is a standard class 8D balcony cabin located at the rear or aft of the ship. Traveling with my bestie Pam for this Iceland and British Isles cruise, I had requested to have the bed set as 2 marine twins. This was also a special elite cruise booked through the casino program, so when we arrived, some of our elite swag, along with some comp drinks, were waiting for us. I will have another video that details the entire special elite cruise experience. My first impression was that the room was very clean, and if you've traveled on any of the Spirit class ships before, you know what this room looks like because you've seen it before. So one thing I hadn't seen before on all my cruises was a new style of stateroom refrigerator, or should I say cooler, that only cools items to between 43 and 59 degrees Fahrenheit. The little sign on the not fridge said, and I quote, "Welcome to your mini bar, 43 to 59 degrees Fahrenheit, 6 to 15 degrees Celsius. That's cool, not cold. Just so you know, this is not a fridge or a medical storage device. If you need to store medication, please let your stateroom attendant know." End of quote. I did ask for a real fridge that does real fridge stuff, but neither the stateroom attendant or the guest services could change it out. Both said these were ship-wide, and that I should request ice service if I needed it. This was very disappointing since I drink a lot of water and I like it cold. Hopefully this gets sorted soon. Now let's take a deeper look at the rest of the stateroom. My second time cruising out of Dover, and I'm reminded by the White Cliffs what an historic place this really is. On that embarkation day, I tried to imagine how neat this balcony would be in Iceland, and you know what? It did not disappoint at all. If you're going somewhere like this, try to book the balcony room, even if the fridge doesn't work the way you want.